All right. How do you make a video when you have no idea what the heck to say? But if you know how to read, gosh darn it, you can probably make a video that's, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, maybe even a minute or two. But it's good practice anyway to just look at other people's emails from LiveGood because everybody has their own ways of talking, getting the message across. Some people like to promote the products, the wholesale prices, the affordability of the membership of $9.95 a month, or if you want to be an affiliate, how cool it is for 40 bucks, a one-time fee and you're in business. It's really up to you. Or you can just kind of keep it kind of mysterious, a little sexy. And I'm going to show you just a little trick that sometimes I use when I just don't know what the hell to talk about. Okay, let me shrink myself. Okay, this right here is an email. Okay, and I'll show you just how fun it is to read. And if you have the note off to the side of the webcam, in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and read it on the screen and you can see. So if you don't know what to say, find someone else's email, change it a little bit around and read it. And if it sounds good, then upload it. Just start practicing. It's the only way to get better at making video or TikTok or Instagram, Facebook. Okay, so here we go. Let's say I start the video like this. Oh, hey everybody. This is Corey. Thanks for watching my channel. I'm going to start this video out by showing what I do if I don't know what to say, but I know how to read. And I think I already did that. Okay, here we go. Okay, we're just going to start like this. Okay, I know the struggle of just getting started. I mean, it's a pain in the ass. When I first got started, it took me more than a few months before I even got my first lead. Then it took me at least a year before I got my first sale. Then for the next decade, I failed miserably because I was trying to chase so many things that didn't work. But if you've been failing for a while, I mean, I totally feel you. I understand on a deep level how frustrating it can be and totally understand how helplessness can creep in. It can come and get you, bite you on the ass. So I understand you might be wondering why you're not good enough to make things happen. But I've been through all those emotions on a regular basis since I started in this industry. So if you're down in a hole right now, I promise there's light at the end of the tunnel. Just click this link at the bottom of my video and maybe we can work things out and get you unstuck. All right, well, thanks for watching my video. And the next one is right where my finger is. And that's it. So thank you very much. This video is about how I learned to read and improvise. And I'll see you next video.